Good morning, 7th class students. Today we will start the next chapter, Nutrition in Animals. In the previous chapter, we have studied nutrition in plants. There are two modes, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Likewise, animals cannot prepare their own food. All animals, including man, we need food to remain alive, but they cannot prepare their own food. They are come under the category of heterotrophs as they are non-green in color. They derive food directly from the plants or by eating plants and by eating other animals. That type of mode of nutrition is called holozoic mode of nutrition. Another mode of nutrition that occur in animals, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, is called holozoic mode of nutrition. Now all animals, herbivorous. What are herbivorous? Which eat only plants. Carnivorous, which eat only flesh. Omnivorous, which eat both animals as well as plants. Engulf solid food particles to get nourishment. And food contain nutrients in complex and insoluble form which cannot be utilized. As the solid food which is taken, it contain nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamin, minerals, and it is in the complex and insoluble form which cannot be utilized as it has to follow the process of the digestion. This type of nutrition engulfing of solid food is called holozoic nutrition. Now, to convert into the simple and soluble form, it has to follow the some steps as to provide nutrients, to provide energy to the body. What are the steps? First, ingestion. Second, digestion. Third, absorption. Fourth, assimilation. And fifth one is egestion. Now, what is ingestion? Ingestion means taking of food is called ingestion, and it occur in different type of organism in different ways. As first is paramecium. How paramecium takes food? Paramecium is a unicellular, and this body has a unicellular hair. Paramecium, this is a body of paramecium, and paramecium body is covered by hair that help to absorb the food particles. It has a hair or cilia that help to absorb the food. Second one is hydra. Hydra has a mouth surrounded by a long movable tentacle. This is the body of a hydra. Hydra has a mouth or tentacle that is surrounded by but some aquatic animals have entangled into the tentacles, are killed by this, and tentacles then push towards its mouth. As hydra has tentacles and aquatic animals come and entangle, and hydra engulf its food. Bees, butterflies, hummingbirds have sucking mouth parts. As we see houseflies, bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, these in their mouth there are sucking mouth parts are present which help to entangle, which help to take the food. In bees, honeybees, like hummingbirds and houseflies, sucking mouth parts are present which help to suck food. As a housefly secretes saliva food as digestion takes place outside. As in houseflies, Digestion of food takes place outside. Carnivorous animals like tiger jump to catch the prey. Squirrel, monkey, man use their hands to take the food. Snail and small fishes swallow the food as a whole, as you can read from their book also. How digestion, as some take solid food, some has and some animals and insects have special body parts. Now after that, second step is digestion. Now first food is taken, after that process of digestion occur. Now what takes place? Complex and insoluble is converted into simple and soluble form. The complex food that is taken is converted into the soluble form. That process is called the digestion, and it occurs by physical and chemical action. What is a physical action? Many physical, chemical changes and enzyme. Physical plus chemical plus enzyme, all these processes occur in the digestion. In the physical, as in our mouth, teeth are present that helps to cut the food. Chemical action, many digestive juices and enzymes are present in the food and in our body also that help to digest the food. And enzymes are the chemical compound. First physical by teeth and chemical enzymes that help to digest and soften the food. For each nutrient there is a particular different type of enzyme is there. Now after the digestion, next process is the absorption. Now what is the meaning of absorption? Digested food is now absorbed by different cells of body. In the absorption, digested food is absorbed to different cells of body, and after that fourth step is assimilation. The digested food which is absorbed is ready to provide energy. Now it is assimilated to the different body parts to produce energy, to synthesize energy. And last step is egestion, defecation, as fecal matter is egested out, undigested part, and the removal of a fecal matter. This process is called egestion or defecation.